Hello, this is a presentation by CDM Guides, provided to you by Kiralys Carrasquillo, Ruth Dupiche, and Jylene Miranda. Today's presentation is on human-centered design, creating a content design strategy guide. Introduction. As professional and technical writers, we at CDM Guides make it our duty to design and recreate websites centered around user experience. Human-centered design ensures a system made for users who will find the creation easy to navigate and give all people an equal opportunity to gain from the site. Our most recent success was with the redevelopment of law.com, a site popular for news and articles regarding all things based on law. Our team identified ways that the site failed to cater to its users by surveying a pool of 30 participants who familiarized themselves with the website, then gave us feedback based on their experience. With this feedback, we were able to identify 4 issues and target them to create a user-friendly website. Surveying users. As Dam, Fries, and Siang said in their article, design thinking is often referred to as outside-the-box thinking, as designers are attempting to develop new ways of thinking that do not abide by the dominant or more common problem-solving methods. We created a survey in which the users are anonymous to avoid bias on law.com. There were 30 users, 10 questions for them to answer, and we collected data to find ways to improve the website. This slide shows survey answers from our users. Our main target was anyone interested in the legal field. From the results of the survey, we discovered issues that we did not think of at the beginning. Our users brought to our attention issues such as how audio would be beneficial, limit the ads while reading the articles, and redo the FAQ page with the possibility for asking their questions. The survey brought more purpose to redesign law.com. Placing advertisements on a website. The number one complaint from law.com users was the poor placement of advertisements on the website. When navigating the website, ads would block out part of the article, making the content difficult to read. The advertisements became too distracting and quickly frustrated users. Advertisements are an essential feature on websites to gain revenue from each user reading a free article, so they cannot be completely removed. Relocating these advertisements so that they are located off to the sides of the article ensures that revenue accrues while also giving users a positive experience. The diagram to the right shows a classic layout to a page on a website. The red boxes represent where advertisements will be placed. The importance of a frequently asked questions page. The world is much more fast-paced than it used to be. Users want answers and they want them fast. Have you noticed that Google tells its users how fast they generated search results? That is because users have no interest in waiting when there are faster systems, like Google, that will have an answer for them. A frequently asked questions page, FAQ page, would be organized in a way that users can find their questions in a timely fashion. Adding headings and a search bar makes for an efficient solution. When asked what feature they wish they could change about law.com, one user responded with a desire for a reorganized FAQ page. Redesigning an FAQ page. The redesigned page adds tags that users can click on to redirect them to related questions. A search bar at the top of the page is featured to allow users to type in keywords that will generate a response to their inquiry. A support section is added if the user has a question that has not yet been answered. Designing the app. One thing we accomplished during the project was coming up with an app to accommodate the users viewing the law.com website. While creating this app, we implemented settings that would fix the problems the survey brought to our attention. Using our knowledge about user experience, we came up with a design to include different themes. According to usability, ability, and inclusion, background images and colors should be carefully considered in the design process. Background images, particularly photos, nearly always decrease legibility. Therefore, we decided to include colors such as black and white since it would be easier to read. Also, since the ads were a problem, we included a feature that would reduce the amount of ads they would see. According to the user experience, designs and adaptations, there is much complexity in the design of some web pages. There can be so much complexity, in fact, that it interferes with the ability of some people to comprehend the page. With this app, users would be able to eliminate the ads due to the content blocker we implemented in the app itself. That way, it would be easy to comprehend the page without getting distracted. Multimedia and accessibility. Multimedia means including various mediums on the website, such as written and audio. This combination of mediums gives more users the ability to utilize a website. If a website only contains written information, the visually impaired are disqualified from using the site. Accessibility refers to the discriminatory aspect that hinders user experience from individuals with disabilities. Addressing accessibility with multimedia. No individual should feel as though they are unable to use a website they are interested in because they are disabled. Taking a multimodal approach increases the number of individuals a site may reach. For law.com, we added a tool that would read aloud the contents of the article. Users can play, pause, stop, rewind, and fast forward the audio using this tool. In the red circle on the diagram picture to the left, you can see the tool we have created. The tool is next to the title of the article so that all users are aware that the function exists. In conclusion, design thinking provides a solution-based approach to solving problems. It is a way of thinking and working as well as a collection of hands-on methods. Our team had worked very hard to make our goals for law.com a success, and we succeeded. We created audio for every news to ease accessibility for every user. As web developers, we have made the changes that we seek since the beginning, and at a great satisfaction, we are here to tell you that user experience for the website is at its all-time high. Law.com. Access for all and easy to navigate. Thank you for considering CDM guides for your future projects.